Planning a trip from Portugal to Paris, you might look at a flight time of 2.5 hours. And think you will be sipping coffee near the Eiffel Tower by lunch, but do not be fooled by the airtime. The fastest way is definitely flying, but the true door-to-door travel time is usually between 5 and 6 hours. When you factor in the commute to airports like Lisbon or Porto, arriving early for security, and the long trek from Charles de Gaulle or Beauvais into central Paris, your travel clock easily doubles. Landing at Orly often saves you a massive headache and extra transit time. What if you want to skip the airport stress? The train offers a stunning slow-motion journey through the Spanish and French countryside. However, it takes nearly 23 hours and requires at least 2 transfers, often costing twice as much as a flight. If you are on a strict budget and traveling with heavy luggage, the bus is your cheapest option. But be prepared for a serious test of patience, as the ride takes up to 26 hours. Ultimately, flying is the most logical choice for speed and price, while trains and buses are for those seeking a slow travel adventure. Choose the option that best fits your wallet and your schedule.